Pawan Ruya virtually emerged from nowhere and picked up Jessup in 2003 as part of the Vajpayee government's disinvestment program. His entrepreneurial journey, of course, had started earlier with Ruya Cotex, which is a textile manufacturing company. In fact, it was through Ruya Cotex that he acquired Jessup. With Jessup, he made it to the corporate radar. It was with Dunlop that he shot to fame. In 2005, he acquired Dunlop in a package deal with Falcon Tires, outbidding Singhanias of JK Tyre and Munjals of Hero. That really marked the rise of Ruya. When Ruya acquired Jessup, it was a sick company losing 5 crore a month, but within a year it turned around and it actually bagged good orders and achieved peak production of 90 wagons a month. The story with Dunlop was also quite the same. It had huge liabilities at the time of acquisition. Dunlop acquisition came in 2005, but in 2007 it was out of BIFR net. And it even got relisted on the stock exchanges. But it didn't last long, and both companies started slipping. Around 2009, apparently Jessup started defaulting on contractual obligations to railways. In fact, that was something that Mamata Banerjee, when she was Union Railways Minister, at an industry meet also raised the issue with Ruya. That was 2009. In 2011, the Trinamool Congress came to power in West Bengal. By 2011-12, Dunlop started slipping. There were labor issues, electricity arrears, and there were multiple meetings with the state government on revival of Dunlop. But nothing really worked, and both units were shut. Finally, in 2016, the West Bengal government passed 2 bills to take over Dunlop and Jessup. Then Ruya got arrested by CID West Bengal. This was on a complaint by railways of theft, and also there was a fire incident at Jessup. That was really the lowest point for Ruya. He kept a low profile during this period, but resurfaced during the pandemic to launch quietly N95 masks under Dunlop brand. After all, he has exclusive rights to the Dunlop brand in India. And now he's back in the news with an EOI for Air India. Dunlop is under winding up and in possession of an official liquidator. As far as Jessup is concerned, physical possession is with Ruya. He can run the company, but it is under the aegis of a liquidator. And Falcon Tires, the other company that he acquired along with Dunlop, that is also facing liquidation under the insolvency resolution process. Under the circumstances, it surely seems bold. More so since he's put up against the Tatas, who are in the fray, and also there's an employees association of the airline. But he would still have to make it through the shortlisting of the EOI to place a bid for Air India. But Ruya has a habit of making attempts that come across as audacious. In the past, too, he had bid for SsangYong, and which he lost out to the Mahindras. And now he has come up with his boldest gambit, which is Air India. Once this news on Air India surfaced, and somebody called him and said, "To Tiger abhi zinda hai," and to which he replied, "Tiger mara hi kab tha?" It appears that he is looking at making a fresh beginning, but a lot would depend on how things go with Air India.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.